Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to make a video call on Skype. Let's have a look now. In the Skype application, navigate to your contact list. Find the contact you want to make a video call to. Click on the contact's name to open their chat window. In the chat window, look for the video camera icon. Click or tap on the video camera icon to initiate a video call with the selected contact. After initiating the video call, wait for the contact to answer. Once they accept the call, you will be connected and the video call will begin. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.